go and show you the dashboard, and I use it to create blog automation, and I use it to write humanized blog articles. So if I go here and simply input a keyword, it will be done. The article will be written in less than 50 seconds. Now, you can also use AI. So if you want me to show you how to use AI chat models, like generic AI chat models like ChatGPT or Gemini, Claude, all these LLM bots. So what you can do is you can take this hash, so you can copy this. So it's on the screen. You can pause the video and copy this prompt and put it right here. Follow this to write a blog article, and here you just type it and it will do that for you. So if you're really interested, like best way to scale a blog without hiring expensive writers, the best thing to do is go to the AI SEO Writer. Now, if I show you even the price point, so we have starting, $69 for a business plan with 2,000 credits per month, and we have got the agency plan and also solo plan with 1,000 credits plan. And if you want to take a look at this, you will have a link in the description. Make sure to check that out. And once you do that, book a call with me. There will be a link in the description. I will help you. I'll personally help you set up keywords, automation, and auto blogging for your domain. So if you're a brand owner or blogger, and if your domain want to set up automation, blog automation with a AI SEO agent, then book a call with me. I'll help you for free personally. The link will be in the description. Pin comment. Check that. Book a call with me. Catch you on the next one.